Hello everyone, my name is Shiva, and welcome to another video. Today, I will be playing with a hover shot. If you don't know what that is, oh yeah, off on the shelf is back there. But if you don't know what that is, I'll tell you right now. Let me just go get it. It's this glory. I'm gonna bring it down here. I'm gonna bring you guys down here also. Get out of here, screwdriver. So I'm just gonna show you a little review. And yeah, let's go. Oh God. Maybe I shouldn't put it on a hard floor. Dang it. What a fail. What a fail. What a fail. I'm going to have to get out of here. 12 round clip. Well, you could stay, but just not right there. Okay, so. Sorry for all the noise in the background. This is just me opening. Just so I could get some nerf darts in here. So I got my 12 round clip ready. And yeah, I need to sit those for a while, but this is the gun that comes with it. I do have many other Nerf guns and a boomco gun. I think it's a boomco. Wait, let me check. I think it's a buzzgun. So yeah, these are all my Nerf guns. Okay, this is gonna turn into a review of my Nerf guns. Turn off my hover shot. Okay, this is my roughcut 2x4. Simple. This is, I have no idea what it's called. What a spring. This is my modded. Oh. I should probably take the bullets out of this. This is my modded. One of those days I'll do a review on the stock, how I did it. And also, I hit it on the ground, but now this is customizable. So I could go short. For example, like the recon that I have. I don't know where it is. Or I could go long. Or I could go long for snipers. The most short, unusable. Boom. So I'm gonna put it back to its normal size. Got my flipfury. I'm not gonna fire that. Got my fakie. Party. Got my broken crossbow. Got my mega tactical shot. Tactical rail on the top. Super tactical. Awesome. Woo! And, ooh, this is tactical too. Give me that. The rotofury tactical rail on the top. Boom, tactical. Doominator. Tactical rail on the top. Tactical. Oh my god! No way! I showed you this gun, but I showed you this for all my viewers. Boom. It's my double strike, which I'm actually going to customize. But it's super tactical because it has a rail. So I could literally... Wait. Where's that thing? No, that's not it. You know what? Never mind. But anyway, back to the video. Oh yeah, here's my recon. Super short. Ow. Hear that? This. Oh, what the? You guys did see that, right? Okay, I'll be right back when I put all these back. Okay, I'm back. You like it? You like it? Got it for Christmas. Whoa! Yeah. Leave a comment below if I should do more videos with this, baby. That looks majestic. It's 4 down and 3 are up. Up, that's 4. Come on. Come on, little Jeff. You can make it. Oh, he's floating. Leave in the comment section below. As you can see, there's there. Leave in the comment section below if you want me to use this gun. Sounds like that. Or do you want me to use these guns? And if so, which one of them? I will give you a list of all of them in the description below. So, that's it for today, and goodbye. Let's get a little light time.